Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, June 5th. I'm going to do a video on gold. I have been MIA for quite a few trading days since about last Wednesday because I'm currently moving from Atlanta to New York City. Still have not completed my move yet. I am currently in Maryland, but wanted to make a video while I have a decent internet connection. So looking at the gold monthly chart, still holding the uptrend line on the monthly. So we've held this back test several times now. Still holding. So key to we watching this, the monthly support to watch is obviously the low of last month's here at 1281.20. Same thing on the weekly. If we look at the weekly here, looking at this weekly, zoom in, remove this drawing. Weekly key support here is going to be the low here at 1281.20. Need to hold that. That's a must hold here, or it's just going to be this bounce attempt on the weekly is going to be a lower high and just another lower high here. Simple consolidation for the bears to bring it down further. If we break this 1281.20, the goal of the bull is obviously to break the high of last week here at 1311.50. And looking at the daily. Looking at the daily, the daily still at this point, if you're looking at this chart, still setting lower highs here, lower highs, and it's been setting lower lows. And so on this pullback attempt here, after we broke the high of this bounce here at 1296.40, the bulls want to create a higher low above this 1281.20, the monthly and weekly supports, and resistance is going to be up here at 1301. Break 1311.50. Break 1311.50, and that could be the signal that we have the higher low in on the daily here. So key resistance on the daily, 1311.50. Key support, first support here is going to be at 1293.10, and must hold. That lines up with the must hold on the weekly and monthly is going to be at 1281.20 here on the gold daily. Looking at the 4-hour. The 4-hour did break the first 4-hour resistance, broke to a higher high here, by breaking 1302.30, and now I need to keep the support down here at 1293.50. The resistance to watch on this 4-hour chart, we have an inside candle here. The high and low within the previous range is high and low, not the strongest inside candle, but still near the top, and want to break this 1304.80 resistance. After 1304.80, next resistance we'll be looking at 1310.80, and then again that 1311.50 level for gold. Still eyeing this monthly GDXJ chart, still waiting for it to play out. So still have equilibrium, high, low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. Another lower high so far. So resistance here on the monthly, first resistance 34.36, but want to see a higher high really break here on the monthly and break 36.08. So going to be patiently still waiting for this GDXJ play to play out longer term. Have a good night, and I will try to find some internet access tomorrow and make another video. I am going to be moving into my condo all day tomorrow, and the internet is supposed to be set up. So if the internet is set up, then I will be making another video. If not, I'll try to find a coffee shop near the condo I'm moving into. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, James with the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, June 5th. Going to be doing a video on oil. Have been MIA for some time for multiple trading days because of the move from Atlanta to New York. Still not in New York yet, in Maryland currently, but I wanted to make a video while I have some internet access and can look at some charts. So we had a bearish reversal candle on the last month candle, and so far we are following through on it a bit. Again, looking at the long-term view, even on any consolidation on the monthly, as long as we hold to a higher low above, what is going on here, above 58.07, still in control of the bulls, would be healthy consolidation here. Have to note that this bearish reversal candle came on increasing bear volume, so that is notable on this monthly chart that we need to eye. Looking at the weekly, so far starting the week with a dip buying at the 20 MA, which it's held numerous times on back tests here on the weekly chart. So a key support of the 20 MA, which is held. The bulls are buying the dip here. We do have so far a bullish reversal candle potentially forming here. We do have 3 more trading days, so we'll see how we end the week and see if the bears have tired out a bit here, and we'll have a little bit of bounce. So key here, 20 MA, middle Bollinger Band, which is currently at 65.39 on the weekly. And even if we break this, as long as we can hold to a higher low above 61.81, we'll still be forming higher lows on this weekly chart. Looking at the daily. Looking at the daily, bullish reversal candle formed today, and do have it. You can see the bear volume kind of starting to wane down here. It is dissipating, and we do have increasing bull volume. So on inventory reports tomorrow, what we want is a bullish reaction. We want to break up today's high. A close above today's high actually would be ideal, above 65.57, and we want to see that on increasing bull volume to let us know that with the bears tiring out, the bulls are going to take over for a couple of days here. But on any bounce, need to eye this resistance here at 68.67. Even on any bounce, we could form a lower high here after this drop, bounce attempt, and then lower lows here on the daily. So the key on the daily to be watching for in the future is going to be 68.67, especially if we do have a bullish reaction to inventory reports and we're able to break today's high of 65.57 and close above it tomorrow with an increasing bull volume. Again, I won't be trading. I am supposed to be moved into my apartment tomorrow and supposedly supposed to have internet, but won't be able to confirm that until tomorrow. I would like to get back to my regular routine every day of at least making the videos for you guys. So sorry I've been MIA. I do have some FOMO, missing a lot of trades and missing the community. But hopefully I will be back to normal schedule by Thursday, where I'm live during in the community chat and making videos daily. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, James with the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, June 5th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. Haven't done a video in a while. I've been in the process of moving to New York City from Atlanta. Still have not made it all the way to New York City yet, but slowly getting there. Hopefully we'll be back to my regular hours in the chat room and making videos nightly starting Thursday. I should be moved in tomorrow, but and supposed to have the internet set up, but we'll see what happens. We never know with moves. But anyways, looking at natural gas, the weekly chart again, we were waiting for this equilibrium pattern of lower highs and higher lows forming as this pattern tightened, and we did get a bull break of it here. And nice continuation. We are consolidating a bit here, and what we want to watch for is potentially an inside weekly candle forming here. So the high and low within the previous range is high and low, and at this point this is healthy consolidation even on the bull break of this equilibrium, as long as we are able to form a higher low. Any higher low above 2.722 for me will be healthy here on the weekly, and I do think that NatGas has turned around for the bulls, at least in the midterm, in favor of the bulls. The mid-longer term with this equilibrium candle, pattern bull break. Looking at the daily, we could have another equilibrium pattern forming on the daily as well. Here we have basically the high and low is this one big giant candle here. So the high and low is this one big giant candle, and so we're going to watch for the range as it ranges within this big giant candle. The high being $3 psychological resistance here, and the support being at 2.864. And so we'll look for a higher low formed here. We formed a lower high here. Now we'll look for a higher low to form and see if we continue to tighten here. And again, the key for the bull is going to be that $3 psychological resistance, and for the bears, they want to break below 2.864. So this candle range is very important here. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.